All right. Don't be the po-po. Did I turn the lights on it? Yeah. Okay, let's try this. A little iffy on the brakes down there, but we made it. Well, that was successful. If we get our number, it'd be really successful. We're hoping for over 107. I'm hoping to go over 107. That's the PB on the car, 2S. Okay. Yes. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. 110. I love when things go the way you hope they go. When a plan comes together. All right, let's take a look real quick. Under 100. I like it. So that's it. RCbattery.com. Battery, LiPo, 2S. If I remember, it's 12,500 milliamp. It's pretty big. Real low resistance in it. It's a real nice battery. Right here. Rlaarlo. I don't know how to pronounce it. But there's the wires, 3 wires. She's a brick, but it's a nice one. TP 4040 motor, 3770 kV. Big old gear on there. BSR foams. Mamba Monster X8 SESC, and I built the rest of it. Most of it's custom except the rear ends and steering and stuff. ARMA motor mount. AK-917. Okay, I'll be back.